Hello dear audience. Today I am going to cover Swift language in a few minutes and few seconds. So without any questions, let's start the video.
Run.
Once upon a time, there was a Swift programming language. अबे भौंसड़ी के जिंदा हूँ मैं. Once upon a time मरे हुए का लेता है वह, जिंदे का नहीं. Hey, who are you? अबे साले, मैं स्विफ्ट लैंग्वेज हूँ. साले थोड़ी सी भी बेइज्जती की ना तो इधर ही ठोक डालेगा मैं.
अरे कौन भौंक रहा है ये बदतमीज?
चल बता मेरे बारे में अपनी ऑडियंस से. अपन को इज्जत मांगता है, इज्जत मांगता है. Okay. So dear audience, without any questions, let's start the video. Swift, a multiple paradigm compiled language created by Apple, famous for building apps that growing sides of Apple's walled garden. It was first introduced in 2014 at the Worldwide Developers Conference and was designed as a modern successor to Objective-C, the original Apple platform language that has been used since the 1980s. Swift interoperates with Objective-C but provides a shorter, more readable syntax and features like memory, safety and type interference to improve developer productivity. Today it's used to build mobile apps on iPhone operating system, desktop apps on Mac OS. And one most about Swift, if you want to create a iOS apps then you should use Swift language. भाई साहब, Swift language के बिना iOS ऐप नहीं बना सकते क्या? Absolutely no bro. तो क्या हुआ? वर्ल्ड में इतनी सारी डेवलपर्स पड़े हैं, फिर दूसरा लैंग्वेज पैदा कर लेंगे.
मेरे बाप से ही नहीं हुआ तो मेरे बाप की कसम किसी से भी नहीं होगा. One and only peace.
Hey, don't discuss with each other. And I was saying, Swift is also open source language, which means it can be used to build software outside of Apple platforms. It compiles to native machines code and is built on top of the LLVM toolchains like many other modern languages. However, it also supports a readable print loop, allowing you to experiment with code in a There is no need for main function create a variable with the var keyword followed by its name and value, and var creates a mutable variable, which means its value can change in the future. Let on the other hand creates an immutable variable or constant. It use type inference to strongly type the value as a string, but we can exactly type it by adding a semicolon after the variable name. Every variable must be initialized with a value unless the type has a question mark, which makes it an optional type, allowing it to also contain a nil value. It also supports optional chaining, making it really easy to work with nil values. Functions are declared with the fun keywords. And now my dear friends, use a backslash with parentheses to interpolate these values into a string functions in Swift language, and Swift are first class objects. They can be passed as arguments, used as return values, and nested to create closures. And it also supports object-oriented patterns like classes and inheritance to encapsulate the var and func keywords that you just learned now. Make sure to hit like and don't forget to subscribe. And bye dear friends, see you in next video.